noisy here. There's a bunch of waterfalls.
Legs are about to pinch me. Okay, I'm coming.
I don't like to be a bad friend, but I kind of want to see that.
Oh,
Oh, there goes that.
give me the spear. Give me the spear. Give me the spear.
What?
Okay, I'm getting the spear. There's another one right there.
It's actually like right there. Hey, it's right there. You can grab it with your hands. It's like right there. In the
Oh
corner.
yeah, it's right there. I see.
Hey, let me go over there.
Really? There's another one right there. You see a big lamp top?
Oh, I see that. No, that looks like claws. It looks like. Dude, that thing is completely like red. Let me get over
You
there.
have to do the seat. I don't see it though.
You don't see it? It's like right
Oh,
there.
shoot, you go see that web?
Where?
Put my hand. Want me to put my foot in the water?
I don't know.
More chances. 5 chances.
It's time to stop!
Literally right there. Let me try to see it.
Okay, so we're gonna try and spear the crayfish. Right. I missed it. It's under the rock. Let me go for this one. It's up. It's up.
There it is. Oh,
I can get it with the spear. I know where it is. I know that there's some baby crayfish. So they don't taste good though.
It's not funny. It's not funny, okay?
All I can tell you is I suck at spear.
Oh, really?
Here, give me a chance.
there's one in that crack down there.
Did I get it?
Nope.
No! Oh, that's nice.
It is.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
It's pinching me.
Are you serious again?
Here we go, guys. This is the crayfish. This is what we were after. Are you fucking
Are you
kidding me?
serious?